Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Bitvae oral irrigator. It's a really interesting product. It has a lot of the features which we want. It comes with a large 300 milliliter water tank, which is very important. A lot of such devices come with a very small water tank, and then you cannot finish the whole application in one step, and you don't want to stop and have to fill it up and continue again. This is really important. Then it comes also with a low charge time of only 3 hours. The model type is C2 and it comes with 3 different modes: soft, normal and potent. And it has built-in rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. So let's open the box and see what we get. Everything comes nicely protected, as you can see. So it looks really nice, beautiful, sturdy, large, but not too large. The largest part is the water tank. This is exactly how we want it. So we get the main device, we get the standard USB-C charging cable, so that's really good. So we can charge it everywhere. You can even charge it on a power bank when you go for travel. Then we get the tongue scraper and 5 standard cleaning nozzles. To apply the nozzle is very easy. We just push it here inside till you hear the clicking. To release it again, we have to push into this button and pull it out. So make sure that it's nicely secured. Then we have the USB-C charging opening. We can use the charging cable which is in the package or any other USB-C standard charging cable. And while it's charging, it's showing a blinking light, and when it's fully charged, it will stop blinking. So after charging, make sure that you nicely close the lid to make it waterproof again. And then here one of the highlights, this is the water tank. Watch this thing, how nicely this comes out. I mean, we can really super nice secure it, but it comes still out nicely and it's super easy to secure. I've never seen any better water tank than this one, but we have also this opening here. So if you use this every day and keep it clean, you can also fill it from here. But it's a really nice thing that we have this opening. So when we want to give it a thorough cleaning or want to let it dry, we can remove the water tank and let it dry and clean it. This is very nice. And then we have the 3 different levels. You can see that's the soft, medium and hard. And we can change that before we start, or we can even change that while we are using that. You can see. And so it's a quick push, we can stop it again. No complicated long push or any complicated other functions needed. Very convenient, super easy to use. So we fill it up with the water here. There is a little bit of a vacuum, of course, so you have to push it down and then twist it. Make sure that you're not touching the on-off button during this time. So I've been using it now for the first time and it worked absolutely awesome. So definitely the best oral irrigator which I've ever been using. Was so easy to fill and empty, and you can see I have stopped using it about 1 or 2 hours ago. It's already absolutely dry and it worked absolutely great with the on-off. So you can see how good this is, really ergonomic with this grip here, and you can change everything with your thumb. And especially what I really liked was the water flow, because it's not too hard. I mean, it's hard enough, it's very efficient, but it's not too strong. With a lot of such oral irrigators, it caused me a lot of bleeding and pain, and absolutely no problem with this one, especially on the soft here, on the soft mode. This is as comfortable as it gets. A lot of people are afraid of using that because it's so strong sometimes, but not with this device. You don't have to be afraid. This is absolutely awesome and so comfortable and easy to use. I mean, I'm really not surprised because I'm already using an electric sonic toothbrush from Bitvae, and it's also a device which works absolutely flawless. So if you are looking for a pretty much perfect oral irrigator, then that's the thing to go. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.